Great, so here we have a brand new copy of The Legend of Dragoon, the PlayStation game. It's never been opened. So this was made in 2000, and this is the original PlayStation game. And I thought I'd make a video because it's pretty rare that you find a copy that's never been opened before. It has the original seal right here, which is really cool. And I would put this on the shelf and not play it just because it's wrapped, but I did spend some money on this, so now I'm gonna open it up and we're gonna see what it looks like. So I'm opening this up. This was how the games were wrapped back then, with the plastic wrap and the little label at the top, if you remember from back in the day. Taking the wrap off. This is the greatest hits version of the game. As you can see, it's literally immaculate shape, as if it was purchased from EB Games 20 years ago. Taking this off, and this is the most mid-condition copy I've ever seen. I'm gonna open it up. Wow. That's the disc art. That's actually different from the disc art that I had on my original copy. That might be because this is a greatest hits version, but I remember the first disc was black, the second disc was blue, third disc was white, I believe, and I think the fourth disc was green. So we got the book right here. I'm gonna go to the other side. Looks like the disc flipped, so let me put that down. Yeah, they definitely changed the colors of the discs. I think that's because this is a greatest hits version, so it's like after the game was initially released. And then, as you can see, be really gentle. There's the artwork, which is really cool. They did an awesome job doing this. This was like really innovative at the time. If I go to the first side, that's the problem with these cases, is the discs always flip. They don't stay still. And then here's the manual. This was back then just it still is the most incredible game. And I have the guide as well. But yeah, wanted to make this video to show you what it was like to go back in time and open, in my opinion, the greatest game ever made, and open a real new copy of it.